Hi guys, today I'm going to make this egg go into this bottle. Do you think that's impossible? Nah, we're going to do it with air pressure. So, if I just put these down and then I'll tell you what we need. So, what you do is, after growing up, boil this egg and then peel all the skin off, and then you need to put it in something. So if you put it on the table, then it might get too hot on the table and then it might splat. So what you need is a hard-boiled egg, a bottle, a matches, and some oil. So what you do is, first you get this bottle, put your finger inside the oil and then spread it around. Next, I light up a match. Be careful with matches because if there's no grown-ups with you, then you might burn your whole hands. Now, this is the dangerous part. You might need a grown-up to help you light the match. If you have one, then that's okay. So, you could do it now and watch carefully when this boiled egg is going to drop in. Watch carefully. This happens because the air pressure pushes the egg inside the bottle. But how did we get it out? That's the problem. We're going to use air pressure again. But this isn't magic, this is science. If you like science, then hit the subscribe button, hit the bell and press like. Bye bye.